We're going to begin with a dire warning and a dangerous surge of coronavirus infections across the South. The World Health Organization now says the pandemic is far from over and that it may actually be speeding up. Here in the U.S., more than half of all states are seeing increases in cases, overwhelming hospitals, and leading to long lines at testing sites in Florida and Texas. And as we head into the July 4th weekend, the second big holiday of the summer, experts are warning we may be paying a price for how states handled the first one, Memorial Day. About half of all new cases in the U.S. are in California, Texas, Florida, and Arizona, forcing some governors who once touted reopening to order new closures. Tonight, Arizona's governor says he is shutting down bars, nightclubs, and water parks for a month. Beaches and bars in Florida are also shutting down, and New York and New Jersey are rethinking just how fast they want to reopen restaurants. As we come on the air, the virus has killed more than 500,000 people worldwide, with about a quarter of all those deaths right here in the U.S. There is a lot of news to get to tonight. And of course, our team of correspondents is standing by to cover it all. CBS's Manuel Bojorquez is going to lead off our coverage tonight from Miami Beach. Manny.
Well, Major, over the weekend, Florida reported a one-day record for new COVID-19 cases, more than 9,500. Today, the reported number was down significantly to about 5,200. Still, it's a large enough increase that 4 counties have decided they will shut down their beaches over the 4th of July weekend. Some beachgoers don't see how cutting off access over the weekend will help.
I don't have a problem with the beaches being open because I don't think that's what's causing the problem.
People 35 and under now account for nearly 40% of cases statewide. Miami Mayor Francis Suarez.
What do you think went wrong here?
Well, what went wrong without a doubt was the minute we started opening, people started socializing as if the coronavirus didn't exist.
Miami now requires face coverings in public and announced tougher penalties on businesses not in compliance. New Jersey has decided to postpone allowing indoor dining given the spikes in other states. New York City may hold off too. With cases mounting in California, Governor Gavin Newsom dialed back reopenings. 8 counties, including Los Angeles, have now closed bars. Dr. Ashish Jha is director of the Harvard Global Health Institute.
I'm very concerned about large parts of our country, especially Arizona, Texas, Florida, South Carolina, but other states as well, where we're seeing really pretty substantial increases in cases.
He also says declining death rates likely will rise again.
Typically, it takes about 2 to 3 weeks from an infection till somebody gets sick enough to die from the disease.
Georgia reported a record daily number of new cases Sunday, and at least 19 states have more patients hospitalized for COVID-19 than 2 weeks ago. In West Virginia, a Planet Fitness gym temporarily closed after a member tested positive. More than 200 people who may have been exposed were asked to quarantine. And in Tennessee, country singer Chase Rice is facing backlash after playing a concert where social distancing was not enforced. You won't hear the music of Broadway, however. Shows will remain shuttered through the end of the year. Manuel Bojorquez, CBS News, Miami.